How to delete or remove secret conversation in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to delete or remove secret conversation in Messenger. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you have updated your Messenger app to the latest version. Now locate particular secret conversation you have on Messenger. Open it and tap I button at top right corner of the screen. Here you will get multiple options. Simply select the three dots at top right and here you will see the option of delete conversation. You can tap delete conversation and select delete option. This will delete your entire conversation with this person, not just recent end-to-end encrypted messages. So you can confirm by tapping delete and then you have finally deleted or removed secret conversation in Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.